Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is gonna be super awesome because I've got something really special to show you all. If you've seen my previous videos, you guys might already know that I'm building a new Intel based gaming PC with the RTX 2080 Ti. I've told you about that in my RTX unboxing video. Well, I finally bought my brand new Intel CPU today. This is Intel's limited edition i7-8086K processor. Now you guys might have many questions like why did I go with this one and not the new 9th gen CPUs? Well, there are a lot of reasons for that, which I'll tell you in this video. First of all, let's unbox it and check out my new processor. So the Intel's i7-8086K came in this sort of packaging. It's a very tiny and compact box. Let me grab my knife and cut this tape here. From the past 1 to 2 years, I've been using only Ryzen CPUs, and after a long time I bought an Intel CPU. I'll be pairing it with my Asus ROG Maximus 10 Hero and RTX 2080 Ti. This next PC of mine is going to be lit guys, I can't wait to start building. So here's the box packing of the Intel's i7-8086K. It's a limited edition CPU which the company released to celebrate their 40th anniversary of the original 8086 microprocessor. Now there are only 50,000 of these CPUs in the world and very few people could get their hands on it. The box packing looks pretty similar to the 8700K. You've got the Intel logo here. The price on the box says 44,400 rupees, but I got it for only 35,000 rupees in the offline market. Okay, let's see what else is written on the box. You've got some features of this processor. It's an 8th gen CPU, has 6 cores and 12 threads. It's unlocked, so yes, it can be overclocked. Supports Intel hyper-threading technology, Intel Turbo Boost 2.0, Intel Smart Cache technology, and also supports Intel's Optane memory. It comes with an onboard Intel UHD graphics 630 and requires a 300 series chipset-based MOBO like my Maximus 10 Hero Z370. This is an excellent processor for gaming. And from the back side, you can actually check out the CPU. Wow, such a beautiful looking piece of tech. Alright, now before unboxing it, let me actually tell you why I bought the 8086K. Initially, I planned on getting the 9th gen CPUs and waited for almost like 3 to 4 months for them to launch and be available in the market. But after looking at the 9th gen CPUs recently, I was not that satisfied with the price versus performance ratio. The 9700K is an 8-core 8-thread CPU with no hyperthreading and has a base clock frequency of 3.6 GHz, whereas my 8086K is a 6-core 12-thread with a base clock frequency of 4 GHz. The performance difference was very less between both of them, but there was a huge difference in the price. The new 9700K costed around 48 to 49,000 rupees, whereas this 8086K was priced only for 35,000 rupees. Now that itself will tell you why I preferred the 8086K. It was value for money. But again, you might ask me, if I was going with an 8th gen CPU, then why not 8700K? Well, both the CPUs are pretty much the same, but the difference is 8086K is a highly binned version of the 8700K with better overclocking capabilities. The price difference between both of them was also only around 4,000 rupees, and with that limited edition tag on that, I just couldn't stop myself from getting it. That was the reason why I bought the 8086K. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing. Let's open the box and check it out. Okay, at the top you've got a note here. Let me show it to you. Oh, it says thank you for buying this 40th anniversary edition CPU and shares the history of the original 8086 microprocessor. You can just pause the video and read it if you guys are interested. Keeping it aside, we've got one more card here. It's a certificate of authenticity. By the way, did I tell you that 8086K is Intel's first consumer processor to hit 5 GHz on max turbo? That is super awesome. And looks like we've got some more paperwork in the box. It's a user guide. Just make sure to read that for all the info on the product. So that's it. Now finally, let's check out the CPU. Let me flip the box and take it out. There you go. So the CPU comes back like this on a tray. Wow, this tiny chip cost 35,000 rupees. So here it is guys, our brand new i7-8086K. It's a 6-core 12-thread CPU with a base clock frequency of 4 GHz and a max turbo frequency of 5 GHz. It looks really beautiful and says Intel i7-8086K on the top. I can't wait to put this thing in action and see how it performs. So that was my unboxing and overview on this limited edition CPU. Now I'll be making a very powerful gaming PC with it. I have almost all the components required to assemble this build. I'll be making that video very soon, so stay tuned to my channel. For this build, I'll be using my new RTX 2080 Ti, Asus Maximus 10 Hero motherboard, and mostly all the parts will be RGB. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the most powerful gaming PC I've ever built on my channel. So guys, do let me know your thoughts on that in the comment section down below. And before I end this video, there's something special I want to show you all. There's a new gaming cafe coming up in Hyderabad. Now the special thing about it is, all the PCs and computer related stuff in that cafe is all powered by Corsair. and I was really excited when I heard that. The name of this cafe is Level Up the Game Studio. So the guys over there reached out to me and asked me to come and check out their place. So let's go there and see how this gaming center looks like. Alright guys, we're here, the Level Up Gaming Cafe. It's actually a gaming center plus a cafe. So let's go check out that place. Okay, we're here and this is how the cafe looks like. It's a beautiful place to hang out with friends. This game studio has a vintage looks with stunning interiors. On one side you've got the cafe section with tables where you can order food and drinks, and the other half of the studio is entirely dedicated for esports gaming. Let me just give you all an inside tour. You see that, guys? We've got so many gaming PCs here. The owner of this place is actually a friend of mine and he told that they're still setting it up. Let me just give you guys a room tour. Actually, this place is not yet opened officially. They will be opening it soon in this month. So if any of you people stay in Hyderabad, do come and visit their place. You'll definitely enjoy your time here. So these are all the computer setups we've got over here, guys. All these are gaming setups. We've got almost 25 to 30 computers over here, all powered by Corsair. As you can see, we've got even Corsair gaming chairs. Awesome. I really like these chairs, you know. Super comfortable. Nice. And all these monitors are powered by Samsung. You can see we've got 144Hz curved Samsung monitors. And the peripherals are also from Corsair. Corsair mouse and keyboard. There you go. There are PCs, game PCs. All Corsair powered RGB PCs. Just come have a look at that. So these are all the computers we have in this cafe, guys. As you can see, we've got beautiful Corsair cabinets with RGB lighting, triple fan design on the front, and most of the peripherals are powered by Corsair. We've got Corsair Vengeance LED RAM and Corsair power supply, Corsair cabinet. The graphic cards are changing from Asus to MSI and Gigabyte. Most of these are either 1070s or 1070 Ti's. And the CPU they're using is Ryzen 5 2600X with a stock cooler. I spent more than half a day in this cafe. I was playing games, had food. Oh yes, coming to the food was absolutely delicious. I ate some grilled sandwiches and I really loved the food. The prices were also very reasonable. On the overall, I really enjoyed the place and had great fun over there. Well, that was it for today. I'll be stopping the video here. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.